So real quick, I'm gonna put this cough syrup together. Homemade cough syrup. You make yourself. As you can see, there's lemons and limes in there. Then I'm gonna come over it with some honey. I'm gonna pour some honey into it. It's own cough syrup, people. You can make it at home yourself. After I come into it with the honey, with the lemons and limes, I'm gonna take this here. Come into it with some ginger. Crushed ginger. And pour that in there. And you're gonna take a spoon. You're gonna stir all that up. There you have it. So, got something going on with your immune system. Your immune system compromised, feeling a little weak. It's your own little cough syrup you can put together. Get that infection out your body. No over-the-counter drugs. Natural remedies for cough. And when your immune system is compromised. There you have it. And after you take a tablespoon of it, just store it in the refrigerator. Come back and use it as needed. I'm out till next time. Peace.